Hello, good morning, all of you. Welcome to Lakshya Academy. This is the part 3 of human reproduction. Part 3. Okay, let us first see what is given in NCERT textbook regarding male reproductive system about testis. Male reproductive system is located in the pelvic region and it includes a pair of testes along with the accessory ducts, glands, and external genitalia. The testes are situated outside the abdominal cavity within a pouch called scrotum. Scrotum helps in maintaining low temperature of the testis, that is low on 2 to 2.5 degrees centigrade lower than normal body temperature, which is necessary for spermatogenesis, formation of sperms. We learned these things in the previous part. In adults, each testis is oval in shape with a length of about 4 to 5 centimeters and a width of about 2 to 3 centimeters. It is not given in NCERT state book. The length of the testis is 4 to 5 centimeters, width is 2 to 3 centimeters. The testis is covered by dense covering tunica albuginea. Each testis has about 250 compartments called testicular lobules. Okay, how many testicle? This is one testicular lobule. This is one testicular lobule. Like that, there are many testicular lobules, around 250 in each testis. Okay, the next part. In this part, our focus is on seminiferous tubules, which are present here. Okay, here you can see seminiferous tubules. Okay, let us study about seminiferous tubule. Diagrammatic sectional view of seminiferous tubule. Each seminiferous tubule is lined by germinal epithelium. Okay, look at this figure here. Okay, this is the testis. Okay, inside the testis there are testicular lobules. Okay, from the testicular lobule I have taken out one seminiferous tubule. I cut this seminiferous tubule. This part I cut here and I place this part here. Then you can see what is present inside the seminiferous tubule. This is the testis. These are the testicular lobules. In testicular lobule, there are 1, 2, 3 highly coiled seminiferous tubule. Okay, we have taken out one seminiferous tubule, and this is the we have cut it, and again we are taking some part of this seminiferous tubule. Okay, you can observe here there is spermatogonia, primary spermatocyte, secondary spermatocyte, and spermatid and matured sperms. These all you can see here. Okay, each seminiferous tubule is lined by germinal epithelium. Seminiferous tubule is lined by, here there is a germinal epithelium. Okay, which consists of undifferentiated immature male germs, male germ cells called spermatogonial mother cells, and also consists of the another thing, nourishing cells, otherwise called Sertoli cells. I repeat again, seminiferous tubule is lined by, you can see here, this is one seminiferous tubule which is lined here by germinal epithelium. Okay, in intermediate first year, you learned that germinal epithelium of the ovary and testis is a simple cuboidal epithelium. Simple cuboidal epithelium is also present in PCT, proximal convoluted tubule, and distal convoluted tubule. Okay, consists of an undifferentiated, what are present in the germinal epithelium? It consists of male germ cells called spermatogonial mother cells, and it also consists of nourishing cells. Two types of cells are present inside the seminiferous tubule. Okay, here there are two types of cells you can see here. One is Sertoli cell, which is the nourishing cell. Okay, the other type of cells are called spermatogonia. Spermatogonial mother cells are the two types of cells present here. Okay, nourishing cells called Sertoli cells. The spermatogonia produce primary spermatocytes. What do spermatogonia produce? Spermatogonium, you can see here, spermatogonia plural, spermatogonium singular. It is producing primary spermatocyte, which undergo meiotic division, leading to formation of spermatids, which from spermatozoa or sperms are formed. This process is called spermatogenesis. What is the function of Sertoli cells? Okay, you can see here Sertoli cells. It is not clear here. Sertoli cells provide nutrition to the spermatozoa and also produce a hormone called inhibin. Observe this figure here. This is one seminiferous tubule. This blue color line. Okay, inside this, this is the lumen of this one. Okay, like our alimentary canal has a lumen, respiratory tract has a lumen. Okay, like that it is a lumen here. Okay, here there are Sertoli cells are there. Sertoli cells support spermatogenesis. That means they provide nutrition to the different stages of the spermatogonia, primary spermatocyte. It also secretes one hormone called inhibin. It also produces one factor, androgen binding protein, ABP. Also, it is not given in our syllabus. Inhibin is only given. Okay, Sertoli cells, they support spermatogenesis by providing nutrients to the these different stages. Okay, repeating in spermatogonia, what do spermatogonia do? Okay, here germinal epithelium has two types of cells. One is spermatogonia, other one is Sertoli cells. Spermatogonia form sperms. What do they form? The sperms require food. That food is Sertoli cells provide nutrition to the spermatozoa and also produce a hormone called inhibin. What is the function of inhibin? Inhibin inhibits the secretion of FSH, follicle stimulating hormone. Inhibin inhibits the secretion of FSH, follicle stimulating hormone. The regions outside the seminiferous tubule are called interstitial spaces. Okay, this is one seminiferous tubule, this is one seminiferous tubule. The regions outside, okay, here this regions outside the seminiferous, this is called interstitial space. In this interstitial space, there are interstitial cells, otherwise called Leydig cells, or interstitial cells of Leydig, which produce androgens. The chief androgen is testosterone. Interstitial cells of Leydig or Leydig cells. Leydig cells produce androgens, the important of which is testosterone. Testosterone controls the development of secondaries. What are the functions of testosterone? 1. Development of secondary sexual characters and spermatogenesis. And other immunocompetent cells present are also present here, like testicular macrophages are also present in this space. Testicular macrophages are present here. You can see the red one. Blood vessels are present here. The connective tissue is present in this. In this connective tissue, there are different types of cells. Testicular macrophages are present, and Leydig cells are present. Okay, right. Other immunologically competent cells are also present here. Okay, once sperms are formed here, the seminiferous tubules open into vasa efferentia. Observe here. Okay, what are these seminiferous tubules? These are seminiferous tubules. They open into rete testis. And these rete testis open into vasa efferentia. That means seminiferous tubules open into vasa efferentia. I repeat again, seminiferous tubule opening into vasa efferentia. In between these two, what is present? Rete testis, very important one. Seminiferous tubules open into vasa efferentia through rete testis. Okay, rete means network, a network of tubules in the testis, and carrying sperms from the seminiferous tubules to the vasa efferentia. Who carries sperms from the seminiferous tubules to the vasa efferentia rete testis. Rete means network or reticulopodia. You learn different types of pseudopodia, axopodia, heliopodia. Okay, next one, lobopodia and reticulopodia, like a network. Okay, each seminiferous tubule, each lobule, seminiferous tubule each testicular lobule contains 1 to 3 highly coiled seminiferous tubules, which this is what is given in our NCERT textbook. Each testicular lobule, each testicular lobule contains 1 to 3 highly coiled seminiferous tubules in which sperms are produced. Where are sperms produced? In the seminiferous tubule. Each seminiferous tubule is lined on its inside by two types of cells. One is spermatogonium male germ cells, the other one is Sertoli cells. The male germ cells undergo meiotic divisions, finally leading to sperm formation. Okay, they undergo meiotic divisions. The sperm, male germ cells means spermatogonia. Okay, you can see here, this is the meiotic division. They undergo meiosis 1 and meiosis 2 and finally form the sperms. Okay, they undergo meiotic divisions and finally leading to the formation of sperms. While Sertoli cells, what do? They provide nutrition to the germ cells. The regions outside the seminiferous tubules are called interstitial spaces, which contain blood vessels, and interstitial cells or Leydig cells. The Leydig cells synthesize and secrete testicular hormones called androgens. Leydig cells synthesize and secrete testicular hormones called androgens. Okay, other immunocompetent cells are also present in it. Okay, this is what is given in NCERT and state textbook about seminiferous tubules.